everyone, I'm Nigel and this is Kintsugi Notes. We have all experienced the moment where we get an answer wrong, look at the feedback and feel stuck because we do not know what to fix next. Kintsugi Notes is built around a simple idea. Mistakes should not be treated as failure, they should become a clearer path to better understanding. Now, Kintsugi Notes is an AI-powered learning companion inspired by the Japanese art of kintsugi, where broken pottery is repaired with gold. We apply that same idea to education. Instead of hiding mistakes, the application turns them into golden repair paths that help students understand, practice, and improve. So for this hackathon, we built this under the productivity track to help students revise more effectively and make learning progress visible. Now, let us start by entering this application and of course, let me show you how it works. Now, a student starts by entering a mistake. So this could be a wrong answer, a confusing topic, or feedback from an exam. So for this demo, I will use a simple algebra example. So the student thought that x plus 3 squared equals x squared plus 9. So this is a common mistake because the middle term is missing. So instead of only saying the answer is wrong, Kintsugi Notes identifies the mistakes as a learning fracture that can be repaired. So let me click the repair button. And once I submit the mistake, the app generates a structured repair analysis. It starts with fracture detected, which identifies the core misunderstanding, then why it happened. Let me show you. Then why it happened explains the learning gap in simple terms. And next, the golden repair gives the correct explanation, followed by a mini lesson, practice question, and a memory hook, and the next step. This is different from a normal chatbot because the application does not only give an answer, it turns that mistake into a full learning pathway. So after this, the student can move directly into practice mode. So the app gives targeted questions based on the mistake, so that the student can immediately apply what they have just learned. So when the student answers, they receive feedback and can continue to improve their concept of the question and answer itself. I can see the results here. And let's go back. All right. So now, next, the student can view the repair path dashboard. So each concept appears as a cracked learning card, as you can see here. So as the student practices and improves, the card becomes repaired with gold. So this gives students a visual sense of progress, and instead of collecting failures, they can see every mistake becoming part of their improvement. And the dashboard also shows mastery progress, so that students know what they have really repaired and what to work on next. So Kintsugi Notes is built around one belief: a mistake is not proof that the student has failed. A mistake is a map showing where growth can happen next. With Kintsugi Notes, every mistake becomes a golden opportunity to learn. Thank you.